My daughter's requested that I do a long sleeve shirt and then these shorts that she got. And you can see this has some spot on it. I got it at Goodwill. But it's a really nice shirt. It's in good shape. It's 100% cotton. There's the front of it. And then these shorts are super cute too. So, she wants pastels. We'll see what I can do. So let's fold it in half. My goal, I'm gonna just get them both. I'm gonna do like an arch right here and go right out the sleeve and nail that one. So I'll come down my arch like this. We'll make it like a see, I want to stick it out right now so I see it. Look at that beauty. That is a piece of work. Ta-da! We could make them still have a V too. What do? Fold them in half, right? Fold them in half. Straighten them out. Alright, well, I'm just gonna have to wing it here because I can't even get a line there. Can I get a line in there? No. You gotta just make it up. I mean, this is so easy. Did you see that? It was like pinch, pinch, pinch. No line. Paint some dye on them, and they're gonna be 10,000 times better. So the tighter you make these little things, the more, obviously, you're gonna get little more designs. Here we go. We'll just come down the shorts the exact same. They're not gonna match exactly, but if we keep our colors similar, it'll be fun. Or turquoise. So much for pastels. This is not looking pastel in the least. Not even remotely. Let's just do black. That will be fun. Have sympathy on me. I'm a challenged, pastel challenged. Alright, let's see here. Who knows what I'm doing? I'm just putting some blue in here right now. That's what it feels like. And maybe I'll put black over it, but I feel like putting this blue here right now. Can't go wrong with this awesome blue. Alright, so I need to put purple in there. And this is, I don't even know what. I've gone insane. That's how my day's been here at the end. I just went a little crazy. So I keep them wrapped under here, and we have our little kitty here keeping them comfy. Over here too. Put them under some plastic, cover them up 24 hours, and then we'll unfold them. So let's just cut these open. I have the water, with hot water on a low, and I'm gonna put my 1 scoop of Myers in there. We'll just cut these guys off. So it was supposed to be pastel, but if you remember, I ended up putting black in it and doing some really bizarre things to it. So let's see what we got here. Let it come down. Turned out kind of sweet, actually. With the black on the outside, you can see it there. And there's our whole face and all. So let's put it in there. Okay. Then we have the shorts, and this was the kind of the back of the shorts, and then this was the front of the shorts. let's show that. Bottom of the shorts. Stretch them out a little. We got a lot of white, quite a bit of white, but I think the back is pretty awesome. So once they're dry, let's see what they look like. There we go. Not bad. So it turned out pretty cool. You can still see that mess right there a little bit, which I guess I thought I was covering it up, but I mean, in all seriousness, you can't really see it, but it looks like you got a spot right there too. I'm just a mess maker. Imagine those.